In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a wireframe in FigJam. A wireframe is a quick, low-fidelity blueprint of a page or screen. It helps you plan layout, hierarchy, and user flow without getting distracted by colors or final visuals. FigJam is perfect for this because it gives you a flexible canvas with ready-made templates that speed things up. Start by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Log into your account using your usual method. I'll choose Continue with Google and select my account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click FigJam. This opens FigJam so you can start a new board. If you see an option to create a blank FigJam canvas, you can click that too. Either way, you'll land on a spacious, zoomable board that's great for mapping out ideas. Inside FigJam, go to the Templates button in the top right. This is where you'll find pre-built structures that can jumpstart your work. In the search bar, type Wireframe. You'll see a set of options. Look for Website Wireframe. This template includes common page sections like headers, navigation, content blocks, and footers. Click Add Template and it will drop straight onto your canvas ready to use. Now it's time to make it your own. Start by zooming in and panning around so you can see the whole layout. Click any element to move it, resize it, or delete it if you don't need it. Double-click text to rename sections with your own labels, things like page title, hero headline, or call to action. Keep things simple and blocky. The goal is structure, not style. If you want to highlight priorities, you can make important blocks larger or use simple shapes to represent buttons, images, or forms. Rearrange sections by dragging them around until the flow feels right. As you edit, think about the user's path through the page. Place the most important information near the top, keep related items grouped together, and make sure actions like sign up or contact are easy to find. If something feels crowded, spread it out on the canvas. FigJam gives you plenty of room. Don't worry about colors or fonts yet. Grayscale boxes and short labels keep the focus on content and layout. That's it. You went to figma.com, logged in, opened FigJam, found the wireframe template, added it to your canvas, and edited it to fit your needs. Save your progress and continue refining until the structure feels clear and purposeful. You now have a clean, effective wireframe built in FigJam.